Good morning, students. Today's practical aim is to learn how to wear and dispose mask. So, let us discuss about what is a function of mask. Masks are key measure to suppress transmission and save lives. Mask cover your nose and mouth. A surgical mask help to stop germs in your nose and mouth coming from outside and stop the spreading. So it can also keep you away from breathing in some germs. So this is a function of mask. So there are different types of mask. Let us discuss some of them. The first is surgical mask. See the image on your slide. Surgical mask is a loose fitting disposable device made up of polypropylene, may be effective in blocking particles, droplet, and spaces which contain germs, keeping them from reaching mouth and nose. It is used by person caring for sick person with respiratory infection symptoms as a cough, sneezing, fever, and frontline workers. Surgical masks are not designed to be used more than once. Ideally, you should dispose the mask after wearing it. It is a disposable mask. Then next is N95, KN, KN95 and other respirators. So see the image of KN95 mask. So what is the meaning of that N? This is a respiratory rating letter class and it stands for non-oil, meaning that if no oil based particulates are present. So the meaning of N is non oil, uh, that no oil based particulates are present. Then you can use the mask in a work environment. This mask tight. These masks are tight seal around your nose and mouth. So what is the meaning of 95? The mask ending in 95 have 95% efficiency. The mask ending with 99 have 99% efficiency, and mask ending with 100 are having 99.97% of efficiency. So these KN95 respirators are made in China specifications and standards, whereas N95 are made up of US design standard. Next mask is this is a homemade cloth mask. This mask not ideally recommended when taking care of infected person. They do not provide uh, adequate protection. So quilting cottons are used to prepare this mask. Then next it should be worn by म्हणजे कोणी हे मास्क घालायचं. So these masks are worn by healthcare and frontline workers who are attending the patients with respiratory infections as cough, cold, patients under investigations while entering the rooms of suspected COVID patients, while obtaining clinical specimens, soiled medical supplies and equipments come in contact with potentially contaminated environmental surface. So in this condition the mask is should be must wear. So what is the procedure to dispose the mask correctly? See one by one. Wash your hands thoroughly before you take off your mask. When take off your mask, only touch the elastic straps. Then third, place the mask into plastic bags, one inside other, and tie them up. After that, dispose the mask with your general household waste, not your recycling bin. If you are sick with COVID-19, write risk of contamination on this bag. This is very important. Then you have to finish wash your hand with soap and water. So that is about this experiment. Thank you.